Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to report someone's Facebook account to delete permanently. So if you believe that somebody has created a fake account or that you've been harassed on Facebook by creating an secondary or a demo profile of yours or a friend or family that's familiar to you, in that case, what you'll have to do is, first of all, make sure to update your application. The only thing you could do is you could go ahead and report it. So for that case, open up Facebook and log in into your account. So in my case, I'm gonna take my secondary profile. So I'm just gonna tap on the search box and type in so this is actually my fake profile. So I'm just gonna report the following profile, right? So when you open up their profile, you have to go ahead and tap the three dot icon next to it. And when you do that, it's gonna take you through profile settings. While you're on this page, you go ahead and select the option that says report profile. As you do that, it's going to ask you to select a reason for reporting the following account. So I'm just going to go ahead and select harassment or just something like this, and then go ahead and select if you know this person or not. Just do that. And likewise, you have to go ahead and select that whether you wish to go ahead and report a profile, unfollow, or block the profile. So I'm going to go with report profile. So as you can see that the report has been submitted by tapping on the submit button. Now the Facebook's gonna look into your matter and just press the done button, and the profile has been deleted. So in this simple way, you could go ahead and delete someone's Facebook account, and it would be better and easy for Facebook to recognize if you could share the profile with your friends or family and ask them to report the profile. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.